Relax, relax. Let every part of your body relax, relax, relax. I want you to think of a time when you were so relaxed. Maybe it was at a beach, maybe it's right here, maybe it was while you're sleeping. Just think of a time when you were so relaxed and you had no thoughts. Just listen to my voice and only my voice. The more you listen to my voice, the more you relax. The more you relax, the more you listen to my voice. Just listen to my voice and relax. 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 When I count down from 5 to 1, you will grow 5 times more relaxed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 times more relaxed. Same thing again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 times more relaxed. Now I want you to still keep that relaxed thought and just let your mind just let go of all thoughts. Something that was putting you under stress is completely gone. Just only focus on my voice and relaxation. When I count down from 10 to 1, you will fall into hypnosis. 10, 9, relax. 8, 7, letting your thoughts just drift away. 6, 5, halfway there. 4, 3, relaxed and just so thoughtless. 2, and 1. Hello. Now, you are under hypnosis. You are my slave. You will do whatever I tell you, and it will bring you great pleasure. When you wake up from this video, you will leave a comment saying, "Thank you for letting me be a zombie," and then your name. Do that. Remember, say, "Thank you, Master, for letting me be your zombie." And when you wake up, you will be a zombie for 5 minutes. When you wake up, you will be a zombie for 5 minutes, and then you will leave the comment saying, "Thank you, Master, for letting me be a zombie." 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, awake! And you know what to do.